perpendicular to the given line. So let us write what is the line they are talking about. So the line is what? 5y minus 15x plus 15x is equal to 13. Acha, tell me guys, what is the slope of this line? Find out and tell me what is the slope of this line. Slope of this line is what? Come on. I will not do. You will tell me. What is the slope of the line? Hmm? What is the slope of the line? Find out fast. What is that? 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Jaldi bolo. What is the slope of the line? For slope of the line, what I told you, just differentiate. You don't have to think of anything. So differentiation of 5y is what? 5 dy dx. And differentiation of minus 15x is what? Minus 15 equal to 0. So dy dx is equal to what? If I take 15 that side, that is equal to 3. Dy dx is equal to 3. So slope of the given line is what? 3. Okay. Now, one thing it says that the tangent is perpendicular to this one. So what is the slope of the tangent? The slope of the tangent, can anybody tell me what is the slope of the tangent then? If the tangent is perpendicular to the given line, what will be the slope of the tangent? Come on guys, try. If you don't try, then it will not help. Tell me, what will be the slope of the tangent if the line is this thing? If the line is 5y minus 15x plus 13, this line, and the tangent is this one. This is my tangent. Yes, very good. Sanjana got, yes, very good. So the slope of the tangent, you see, since they are perpendicular, is just like tangent and normal. Is just like tangent and normal. Suppose this is the slope of the normal. So what will be the slope of the tangent? It will be minus 1 by slope of the normal, right? If slope of the tangent is m1, if slope of the tangent is m1, then slope of the normal will be what? Minus 1 by m1. In the same way, if slope of the normal is n2, then slope of the tangent will be what? Minus 1 by n2. It's like that. So slope of the given line is 3. So slope of the tangent will be minus 1 by 3. Simple as that. Because they are perpendicular, it will be like this. Okay. So write down, since the line is perpendicular to the tangent, is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So after finding the slope of the tangent, we already know that dy dx is equal to what? Dy dx is equal to minus 1 by 3. So from the previous thing, dy dx was what? Dy dx was equal to 2x minus 2. This was my dy dx. So let us put in there. It's the same question. So 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is what we have. So let us find the value of x. So let me see 1 second. That is it, right? Yes, yes, that is it. So let us do it fast. So how much is that we are getting? So 2x is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. That is coming out to be 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So therefore x is equal to 5 by 6. So x we are getting as 5 by 6. Now we have to find the value of y. So when x is equal to 5 by 6, what is the value of y? Y is equal to, let me see, y is equal to, now don't put in the equation of the line. You have to put in the equation of the curve, the x value. So what is that? X square minus 2x plus 7. So that is equal to, y is equal to 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So how much we are getting? So we are getting to it to be 25 by 36 minus, don't cut, 10 by 6 plus 7. So how much is that equal to? How much is that equal to? Acha, let us take LCM as 36. Let us 36, so it is 25 minus 60 plus 40. No, 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 no. It will be not 42. It will be 36. 42 into 6. 42 into 6 is how much? 24. 12. 252. 252. 42 into 6 is. Oi, no, 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 no. Oh, what I am doing? Yeah, yeah, it's 252. That's right. So tell me, how much is that? How much is it coming? This one is 192. 192, and that is 25. So I think 200, 217 by 36. It's coming 217 by 36. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 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 yes. I think it's yes. Okay, clear? Is it coming 217 by 36? So the point is equal to what? So the point is 5 by 6 divide comma 217 by 36. Okay, so this is the point we got, right? And the slope is what? The slope is, wait a second, the slope is minus 1 by 3. So let us find the equation of the tangent. Let us find the equation of the tangent. So what we have, the equation of the tangent, the equation of the tangent passing through passing through 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36 and with a slope minus 1 by 3 is, what is that? Y minus y1. So y minus 217 by 36 is equal to m is minus 1 by 3, x minus x1, x minus 5 by 6. Okay, so let us do one thing. First we'll simplify. Y minus 217 by 36 is equal to, this is minus x by 3, and plus 5 by 18. Let us multiply both side by 36. Let us multiply both side by 36. So what I get? 36y minus 217 is equal to, if I multiply 36 with this one, x by 3, 3 and 36 will cut, it will be 12. So minus 12x plus 18 into 2 is 36. So this one will become 10. So how much we get? 36y plus 12x is equal to 207. Everyone clear? Okay. So that's my equation of the tangent, which is perpendicular to that given line. So this is done so that the tangent at the points where x is equal to and x. Achha. Yeah. So this is done. Let me go to the next question. So what is the next question? That is question number 16. So in question number 16, what it says, show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. So there is a curve which goes like 7x cube plus 11. Then it says what? At the points x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. So this is a curve. In this curve, if I have 2 points, one point that is x is equal to 2, the y coordinate they haven't given, and there is another point that is x is equal to minus 2. So you have to prove that at these 2 points the tangents are parallel. So basically they mean what? So here I will just draw this one. So like this, and the diagram will be like here. So if there is a curve and in that curve there are 2 points, point 2 and point minus 2. So we have to prove that at those 2 points the tangents are parallel to each other. Okay, so first thing what I will do is I will find the slope of the tangent. So let us find the slope of the tangent. So for slope of the tangent we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, what do you get? Dy dx is equal to 721x square, that is 21x square. That's it. Now what I need to do is, now we have to find the slope at these two particular points, x is equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So let us find that thing. So slope at x is equal to 2, how much is that? It is dy dx is equal to 2, that is 21 into 2 square, that is what, 4 into 21, that is 84, right? And slope at x is equal to minus 2, and that is how much? dy dx is dy dx at x equal to minus 2. So same thing, in place of x I will put minus 2. 21 into minus 2 whole square, that is also 84, right? And you see, since they are equal, we can say that the slope of the tangents at point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are are parallel. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Joy, what happened? Why so late? Huh? So write down, therefore, the two lines are, so not two lines, therefore, the tangents, the tangents at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Acha, I'm sorry. We are so flexible, that's why. I am so flexible, that's why. Therefore, the tangent at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So what I will write? Therefore, so which question we are doing? We are doing question number 16. So write down. So at the last statement, what was that? The tangents at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel to. Okay, so that's how it's proved, because the slopes are 84 and 84, both are equal. So we can say that since the slopes are equal, then the tangents are parallel to each other. Okay, so that's how question number 16 goes. Question number 17. Achha, let me read question number 17. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. चलो करते हैं. Let's do it. So let's not do it. I will just explain and you have to take the task. So look at here in the question what it says. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Can anybody tell me what they have asked you to do in here? What they have asked you to do in here? Look at here. Again read the question. Find the points on the curve at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So what I will do before starting with this question, they have asked us to find the point. So let us write point, let the required point be x1 y1. So I am assuming there is a point at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Okay, so I am assuming the required point to be x1 y1, right? Now what I will do is, now I will go to the curve thing. So the curve is given by y x cube. This is my curve, right? So in order to find the relation, I need to find the slope of the tangent. So how to find the slope of the tangent? I will just differentiate with respect to x. So you get dy dx is equal to 3x squared. This is my slope of the tangent, but I need this slope at this point x1 y1. So I will write slope of the tangent at x1 y1 at x1 y1 will be equal to what? dy dx. Look at here, it's all about x value. So I will write is equal to 1, and that is equal to what? dx1 square. Everyone clear? So I have assumed a point x1 y1. So the slope of the tangent we got as 3x square, but this slope has to be found out in this required point x1 y1. So x will be replaced by x1. So I get the slope of the tangent to be 3x1 square, right? But they have told me the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate, right? So write down in here. Now slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Can you tell me what relation does it signify? Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. What relation does it signify? Let's see. Come on guys, try. What relation does it signify? Slope of the tangent, I know it is 3x1 square, and that will be equal to what? y1. That will be equal to y1, right? Yes or no? Am I clear? Understood? So here let us write this one as equation number 1, right? And there is another equation. The other equation is this curve. You see y to x cube, right? Now when there is a tangent at the point x1 y1, there is tangent at the point x1 y1. So this x1 y1 lies on the curve, and since it lies on the curve, it will satisfy the equation of the curve, that is y is equal to x cube. So write down. So write this one down. Since the point lies on the curve, so what you can write? y1. So it will follow it will satisfy the equation of the curve. Y is equal to x1 cube. This is my 2, right? So y1 is equal to x1 cube. I hope everyone is clear about this one. Understood? Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, basically what I will do is I will put the value of y1 from equation 2 in my equation 1. So I will write here 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube. 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube. I hope everyone, is it clear or not? Please tell me. Is it clear or not? Now let us take x1 cube this side. So what you get is 3x1 square minus x1 cube is equal to 0. So I get x1 square if I take common. So I get this 3 minus 1. We can cut this one. Achha, now x1 square will only be 0 when x1 is 0, right? So first thing I got x1 is equal to 0. This is my first point, and the other point is x1 is equal to 3. Everyone clear up till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Please tell me guys, yes or no? So when x1 is 0, then x1 is 3. So when x1 is 0, y1 equal to what? y1 cube, that is also 0. And here y1 is equal to 3 cube, that is equal to 27. Okay, so one point is our 0, and the other point is our 3,27. That's my answer. So we needed the points. Okay, we don't have to find the equation tangent. So that's my answer, 3,27 and 0,0. So those are the 2 points we were asked to find. Okay, clear? Now let's move on to the next question. It's very important question. Question number 18. Question number 8. So read the question, everyone. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5, find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Yes, so that's the curve. Okay, and here we have coordinate axis. This is 0, this is x, this is y. So we have to find all points on the curve at which the tangent passes through the origin. At which the tangent passes through the origin. So basically my question is find all the points on the curve at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, clear?